Okay, time for a little guessing game. Among these three hair sets, which one do you think is the human hair wig? Let's spill the beans. From left to right, we've got Bono Hair, a human hair wig, and a synthetic wig. Drumroll please. The champ is the one in the middle. Did you nail it? So, synthetic hair is made from man-made stuff like acrylic or nylon. It's budget-friendly and stays looking good no matter the weather. But here's the thing, even though it tries hard to look like real human hair, it's pretty easy to spot the difference when you put it next to the real deal. And synthetic hair has a downside: it frays easily, messing with its lifespan. Plus, the man-made strands don't play nice with heat, making restyling a bit tricky. What's your take on it? Human hair wigs give your clients the most natural look and feel. They move and feel real because, well, they're made from actual hair. They act as a prime canvas for unleashing creativity, underscoring the need for professional assistance in any restyling or recoloring endeavors. However, beware of some manufacturers cutting corners by blending synthetic fiber into human hair to cut costs. We've got the ultimate test to help you figure out if it's human or synthetic. The go-to way to check out whether it's real human hair is the burning test. We've got samples of both human and synthetic hair. Put the synthetic fiber near a flame, it makes black smoke and that intense burning plastic smell. Instead of burning, the strand melts into a black, solid mass. Genuine human hair, on the other hand, burns into ashes with a smell like burning feathers, just a bit of smoke. It's super simple but highly dependable. Now you know the upsides and downsides of synthetic and human hair, and how to confirm if your product is genuinely made from human hair. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions about human hair toupees and wigs, feel free to ask in the comments. Until next time.